feel like today's video needs a little backstory. So, like a year ago, I was shopping with Jewel and she got this cropped denim jacket and I was like, that's cute as hell. Like, I want one. But hers was expensive and I didn't want to pay that kind of price. So I looked for a year. Haven't found anything that's not more expensive than the price of a regular denim jacket. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just have to make it, bring out that DIY side. So I have this that I bought like a year ago as well. And I've worn it once. And I only wore it for like 2 hours before I realized I don't like it. Because I don't like the way it looks. So let's just cut it up. Now, I've never tried to do this, and I'm not very good at crafting in general, so here's hoping it turns out okay. I'm going to cut it. I'm not going to try it on. We're just going to go for it. But I'm going to cut it like right where the pocket ends. Like, I want to include this button first, and then we'll just cut along to like this pocket. I'm not too sure how I'm going to show you this, so let's just hope for the best. I'm trying to fold it in half because I'm lazy, and so that I have a better chance of getting it even, but I'm still struggling with the getting it even part, clearly. I'm using some nice craft scissors. They're actually working way better than I expected. Oh, I got into a seam. I'm cutting the seams individually, just because they're thick. This is so thick. Maybe this is just how thick the jacket is. Oh, it's because it's lined. Wow. That's maybe something I should have looked at before I started cutting into it. Now, I didn't actually think I was going to do this week for a video, but I had planned to cut this up regardless. And I was telling my friend Jade about it. Hey girl. And she was like, I want to see that. You need to film it. Here you go, girl. Just for you. I wonder if you could just... Okay, I'm not strong enough to pull it back to cutting. We're just gonna have to go one layer at a time. This is a lot. We're at the pocket, and like I'm cutting it right on the seam of the pocket. Stupid decision, I know. Oh, I've been cutting into the pockets. That's the lining. So dumb. Okay, I have ran out of pocket, and it's going so much faster now. Okay, now let's do the other side. Should I be doing a better job of making sure this is even? Probably. But that's not how we do it on Crafting with Kelsey. Do you see this? Ooh. It's a look. Yes. And I am just gonna... Boom. Oh yeah, I love these. Okay, so let's cut those off. And now let's try it on for the first time to see if it's even. Okay, this looks super stupid with this shirt, but I think it's okay. I mean, it probably... Okay, never... I need to fix the back. Never mind. It looks good from the front. You can tell I got a little dip there. Whoops. Welcome to Crafts with Kelsey, where I do an extremely mediocre job. I really should have cut out the pocket, but honestly, you know what, we'll just dress it. It'll be fine. Okay, so I went and got some tweezers. And I'm just gonna try and distress it like along the parts I messed up. Like right here. There. So now it doesn't look as like, maybe if I cut it actually. There. Now it doesn't look as messed up. I'm also going to do it a little bit all along here just because it's doing a slant. A little bit here. A little here. Just throw it in wherever you want. But like, I'm not going to do it too much just because I'm also going to throw it in the dryer after. So that it like really gets a little more distressed. Okay, so this part really needs some help. Just go to town. This would be so calming if like tweezers didn't hurt your fingers. Like, I don't know how people sit and do this for hours. Because I hurt myself insanely. But like, this is very calming. Okay, so I think I'm done. Just because I don't want it to get too frayed. I really should have picked a different shirt to do this with. And you know, I don't really mind it. Like, it's a bit longer in the front, but I feel like that'll like help when I'm wearing it buttoned and stuff. And like, I might distress it more like along the rest of it. Just to see. I don't think I can pull off this trend. Country gal. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching me mediocrely do a crafting job. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you like if you like, and I will see you next time.